Hi everyone. So in this video, I will teach you how to use Quizlet. So first you will go to the Google Classroom and click on flashcards, yeah. And then click here, the link, let's go shopping. And then you will see flashcards. Yeah, these are all the words we learned last week. So first you could click on the flashcard, or you could make it bigger, clicking on the square here. So you can flip it, and then if you want to listen, you can click here.
A shirt.
Yeah, and then you can hear and then listen to it, and then you can go on to the next word. You can look at the picture and then flip it and then listen.
A scarf.
Yeah, a scarf. And then you can repeat. So do this. So there are 20 words. Yeah, that's a cap. You could flip it. Oh, I don't know how to do it. Yeah.
A cap.
And then when you finish, you can go back. And then here you could do, there are different things you can do. You can do learn, for example. Yeah, and then here your multiple choice questions. Look at the picture. What is that? Yeah, those are boots. Correct. Next one, what is that? That is a coat. We put a coat. Yeah, so you can do this. This is learn, and then you practice all the 20 words, and then you can also practice your writing. Click on write here. For example, these are, what are these? These are ties. Answer, correct. Then press any key to continue, and that is, that is a pair of pants. Answer. So here you also practice a little bit of writing, typing, and then you can go back. You can also do spelling the words out, similar to writing. Yeah, these are shoes. Correct. That is a hoodie. Oh, incorrect. Oh, sorry, because override, I was right. Okay, and that is a cap. Correct. Yeah, so this you can also practice your writing. And then finally, when you're done, you are going to move on to test. So here, you just do whatever the questions ask you to do, to write. And then here's to match. A cap, put C here. A shirt, put A here. And then multiple choice questions here, that is your pants, a hoodie, a scarf. Yeah, so you do the test, and then we're finished, you submit, and then I will take a look, check answers. All right, and then you go back, and then finally you can also play. There are also interesting games that you can play. The first game is called Match. Just says make everything disappear. Disappear means make them go away. So click on start game, and then for example, ooh, shoes here. Put them together, hoodie, put them together, and they disappear. Shirt, t-shirt, pants, oh, shorts. Yep, and then you could see, yeah, I scored 12.1 seconds. So I am the first place. So try to beat me. All right, so you can play that many times if you want, and then I don't want to do that now, so go back. And then there's the other game called Gravity. It's my favorite game. So click on Gravity. So you're going to make, yeah, the asteroids to go away. So get started. I'm going to try hard answer with English. Okay, and let's go. All right, so you can see there are asteroids falling down. Then when you see the picture, you're gonna try to type as fast as possible. And those are jeans. So it disappears. Skirt, a skirt, t-shirt, coat. Ah, yeah, so you can see, you get the idea. It's fun. So you can play this and level up and then, yeah, see how far you can go. I'm not going to play it now, it's too much for me. All right, so hopefully we will take a good 20 to 30 minutes reviewing the words and let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.